Welcome back guys. This tutorial is all about stuffs related to the body widget. If you are visiting this as first video, click this to continue from starting. In the previous tutorial, we have finished how to set the up bar and the bottom bar. Let me shorten this for a while. To add content to the body, use body widget within scaffold but after the app bar widget. Watch until last for a surprise widget. Now let me show how to add a text in body widget. Just like we did before using text widget. Let me promote my channel this way. Yeah, here we got the output. Now you may ask how to get it in the center. Just click our widget, and use wrap it with the center. Now, if you want to increase the font size, or to increase the boldness or to change the color, everything can be done within the style widget. Now, let me show a demo, by changing its color. Let me change it to red. Okay, we got the expected output. Now for the next few minutes, let me explore more about the font properties. To increase font size, use the font size property and fix the size. Use font weight property to increase its boldness. Instead of these stuffs, how about adding an image? Let me delete the text code. To use an image, use image widget this way. We can also the local image, but here let me get it from Google using network image widget. Now let me get the image. Let me choose scenario image. Well, this looks good. Just copy the image address. Paste the link inside the open braces. Too big enough. Now let's see the output. Yeah, we got the image, but how to have it in a full screen? The height and the width measurement will not be same for all devices. So let me set the length and the width of the image within the image widget, until the screen ends. To do so, use double dot infinity for the length and width. After these, use fit to cover the area below the bottom bar. Now we got the image inside the body. And the surprise widget is. How about adding a button in our body? Like this. Let's see this in the next tutorial. Like and subscribe.